Good morning and welcome to what is our final assembly of the spring term, the final assembly of what has been an incredibly busy couple of weeks. I'm going to be brief on this occasion because we will later on in the morning be having a prize giving, so you'll be seeing plenty of me. The boys will be undertaking one activity and children in EYFS hopefully one activity first thing. We'll then do a prize giving for reception to Year 1 boys and a prize giving for boys in Years 3 to 6. You'll be told very clearly when those prize givings will take place, and I sincerely hope that you'll all tune in to join in the celebration of success at the end of this term. Now, I promised you an Easter egg hunt, and if one makes a promise, one should try to stick to it. So an Easter egg hunt there will be. Hidden within the pictures of the school website, there are some Easter eggs. 11 in total. And each of those Easter eggs carries a letter. You need to find the Easter eggs, make a note of the letter, and then you have to come up with a word that is spelt by the 11 letters. The word, I'm afraid, folks, has to be one that I have in my mind. I will say this: younger children, you can find the letters within the eggs, within the website, but you might just need a little bit of adult help with the word the letters spell. It's tricky. So during the course of the day, you can have a little look at the website, see if you can find the Easter eggs, the letters, see if you can come up with a word, 11 letters, it's not easy. And then anyone who reckons they've got the answer can drop an email to Ms. Stevenson, secretary@westhouseprep.com, stating what the word is, and we will, as ever, dish out some prizes if we at all can. We've got some stuff here which we sincerely hope we'll be able to send out to you, but it's a bit of fun. Now, when I finish this assembly, a brief address will go live from the chairman of the Board of Governors, Mr. James Gittins. And I invite you all to have a look at that and to listen to what Mr. Gittins has to say to our West House community. For the time being, I'm signing off. You'll see me for prize giving, and then we break up. God willing, I will be back, and we'll go again at the start of the summer term. In the interim, I send you my very, very best wishes, and I sincerely hope that everyone keeps safe and well. The West House family means a huge amount to me. Thank you for listening.